Hey Zach, it's Michaela Wortham. I'm so glad I got to talk to you today. As promised, here's just a quick video going over the different areas that Google looks for when ranking different websites along the Google platform, okay? Having an extensive digital marketing experience and background, I can tell you that there's three major things that Google looks for when ranking a website, okay? To go over the first one is going to be content. And by looking at your web page, you actually have a pretty good amount of content. On your home page, I would recommend upping that to around 1,500 words, and here's why. This here is a competitor, Angel Maids, within the Nashville area, and although they've got some good content throughout their site, I would recommend at least 1,500 words on your home page alone just to beat the competition. And I'm going to go over why content is so important to Google. If you Google anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option, right? Why is that? Well, it's because they have so much content. They have the most content available on their site. So Google does a scan every few weeks and it picks up sites with a lot of content in it organically or on its own, moves sites up the Google platform higher up the ranking to page 1. So having that on your home page alone, since most websites and businesses rank for their actual name of their website, that's going to help you get seen by Google. For every additional page, we recommend anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words, so you're not far off from that as well. This is again just a comparison based on what you currently have to the competition. So I definitely would, like this page looks great. I definitely would recommend that all your pages have anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content. I'm going to go over this with you right here. This is your website, like just a base picture here of what kind of traffic and what is going on within your website right now. I'll take your eyes first here to the UR and the DR. What does this mean? This is your current ranking within Google, and then your DR is the number of referring domains as well as good trusted domains. Google loves these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. That gives you a trusted platform within Google, and they see you as a trusted site, also allowing them to move you up that ranking. Okay, so we definitely have some work here on the referring domains. The number of backlinks we add and the number of referring domains that we add the backlinks to are going to greatly increase this UR and DR ratio, okay, getting them as close to 1-to-1. So I see currently you have about 67 visits to your website per month. I'm not sure how many of those you're actually closing into sales, but I can see here that you're not ranking. Sorry, I keep getting booted out of this. I do apologize. I do see that you're not ranking for a lot. Obviously, you're number one for, again, your business name. You're in the first position. Carpets cleaned. There's not a ton of search volume for that, but you're in the third position there. The ones that really are big are like rug cleaners, upholstery cleaners, cleaning services, carpet cleaning Nashville. And in those that are the biggest ones that bring in a ton of revenue here, you're in the middle of page 2 or at the bottom of page 2. And so you're not getting seen a lot by the competition. I can see here too that typically you make about $406 off your website every month, whereas if you look at your competition, they're making $2,700. So I think just the way that they're optimizing their keywords that they're being ranked for, as well as the quality of the referring domains that they have, is what is ranking them higher than you right now, okay? The third option I'm sorry, not option. The third thing that Google looks for is this GMB, or Google My Business. I'm not sure if you have a GMB or where you're at within this ranking, but these top three here are going to get the most business because they're most in your face. They are the most visible. People don't like to have to search for the things that they are looking for. They like to have the good top options available to them. So a citation is anywhere that your name, phone number, and your location is listed in some type of directory. So think Yellow Pages or Yelp. And so I have the ability to see how many your top competitors have, and then could rank you obviously with more than what they have, putting you in a top position and putting enough there to keep you there. So those are the three options that Google most looks for. Again, number one being content, 1,500 words for your homepage, 750 to 1,000 for every additional page. Getting good quality, trusted backlinks. That's going to add as well as some good quality keywords that are going to be put into your text on your website and on your different pages. And then your Google My Business, getting some good quality citations, okay? All right, Zach, that's all I have for you today. If you don't mind, just send me a quick email letting me know what you thought about this video, if you found it helpful, any questions you might have, and I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.